thunder in Beijing. This is June 16th, 12 noon time. This morning was like suddenly become so dark. This is the hotel I'm staying in Xinyandu, right across. So actually I was really surprised the thunder is so big in Beijing, also with lightning. You can just feel like huge sound. Last few weeks have beautiful days here, but today suddenly becomes so dark and big thundering right now, and also lightning here. It's really amazing. I think it's the first time I was in Beijing hear such big thundering. This is Tai Sikou Street. Actually, my hotel is very nice, not too far from Xuanwumen railway station. Actually, just by taxi to Tiananmen Square is only about, I would say, 20 minutes. Wow, hear the sound. I'm even scared, And this is the thunder in Beijing. I need to go to the train station in about 1 hour. I can be soaking wet and go to Shijiazhuang today. Anyway, I just want to film this special experience in Beijing. The thunder, even car alarms just went off because of the big thunder. It's really amazing. You can see the power of nature, power of God. Huge sound. Look at that. There's like big cannon, big guns. It's very. It's amazing. It's such big thunder here. Big thunder. It's a very big thunder. Constantly. And lightning also. It's keep raining. So this is Beijing. June, summertime in Beijing right now. And I just feel the big thunder. Okay, the lightning. I don't know if I can film this. It's lightning also. Big lightning. Big lightning here. Big thunder. Rolling sky. Rolling thunder. So just film this experience here. And non-stop thunder. Wish I filmed that. Like a lot of traffic.